Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra san sau. Lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar riunyo. Da ka jing tre shitom banda ka bapanap Shrip hadin ka jing yo jing tip ka betikna baudon unong ka Drok bar jela boyaj Lyngba ka Surok ba National Highway hari Bhoi district hanin ka mit da ka Thmu ban kiu Shngain Shillong Lyngba ka wai ki kali ka mai Torres ki Pulit jong ri Bhoi district Lyngba ka Nongpoh police station kila panap Shrip yau ti unong ki Drok ha ka Shnong Mountainum da ka bapanlong ya ka jing talasi ye ki kali ki Thmu ban kiu Shngain Shillong haba penti balor ka ne ka jing yo kem yau nong ka Drok Superintendent of Police ke Bhoi District VS Rothor ulai itu batang hadin ke jingyo jing tip ke betikna ki bor pulit wut kila sedang ye ke jing talasi ye ki kali ki bakiu Shnong ba Shillong ha Surok ba badai ha kapor kumba khandai baje ye kapor manmin baki pulit kila yo ban bat ye ketiga kali bat lakem miau tiu priu rangkat ke jing perngat haki kendon an NDPS Act badru ban beteng ye jing tokit ban lapat saya kiwe pat ki badang keti ha kene ke kam khai Droks ban wanra na kiwe ki jela bat Shalan ha Meghalaya ha kene ke jing yo kem miu tiu priu ki pulit kila yo ban kurup ya lai 100.9 gram Drok heroin bolosong bha ha ki lai teli ki senduk sabon bat nau tiu priu la yo ru ban kurup ya ka wei ki mobile phone rangkat bat kepisah.
Yesterday we got some source information that one suspect is expected to travel from Guwahati to Shillong with a consignment of suspected contraband. So accordingly we did our investigation and then placed an NACA on NH6 just ahead of Nongpoh town, and we found this suspect traveling in a tourist taxi, and in presence of witnesses all the procedures were completed and we recovered approximately 36 grams suspected heroin, and one mobile phone was also seized from him, and after completing all the formalities on the spot we have registered a case. We have formally arrested him and he'll be produced in the court today, and the investigation is going on. Some more arrests are likely within next few days.
Rainbow of Sound Music Academy ke badan hak Shnong mau berhiri Bhoi District a music school ke baju pelong Shisian Shitiau Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri hak sengi saja nyadu shpau baje main step hadu sau baje janmir kepada yang sumpai pi baro ki kena ki bandadu nyau senam sheneng ki samla ya piru baro ki long kemi long kapa ki bakwa banyo jingi kai jingnang shapang ke music hak ne ke music school don keyboard ki jingi kai kum ki gitar keyboard duitara ka bom ka sing ka drum Indian vocal western vocal but khasi vocal kane ke music school ke jupunya street performance but ki concert aman lau senam kum kadak ajing slur ki kena ki bawan pulih hak ni music school ti parlok baro 147 1 ban shim ka admission hak ni music school.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru iwei ar nyau lai